Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Street Talk. Here we help beginners learn English in a simple and fun way. You will see real conversations on the street and practice English with us. Don't worry if you are shy or afraid to speak English. You are in the right place. Hi, I am Sophia. Today, we are going to talk to a stranger on the street and practice simple English. If you are learning English, you can repeat after us and learn naturally. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Let's have fun! Excuse me,
Oh, hi?
can I talk to you for a minute? It's just a friendly English practice. Many people are afraid to speak English in public. Don't worry, it's fun.
Okay, I guess.
Oh, that's great! Is it okay if we record this conversation? It's for educational purpose.
Yeah, it should be fine. It's for education, right?
Thank you. You are very brave. So first, relax. It's just a normal conversation. I will help you. If you make a mistake, it's okay. We are learning together.
Okay. I'm a little nervous.
No problem. Take your time. Let's start slowly. Can you tell me your name, please?
My name is Alex.
Alex. That's nice. Can you spell it slowly?
A-L-E-X.
Perfect. Thank you, Alex. How old are you?
I am 22.
Great. And where are you from?
I am from Australia.
Australia. Amazing. And your city is?
Sydney.
Sydney. Nice city. Since you said you're from Australia, tell me, is Australia a country or a continent?
Interesting. Oh, I think both.
Excellent. Very clear. Comment below. Is Australia a country or a continent? Alex, many people are afraid to speak English in public. Why do you think this happens?
I think people are scared to make mistakes.
Yes, exactly. Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes. For example, if you say, I go to school yesterday, it is okay. We can correct it slowly.
Oh, okay, I understand.
Good. Don't be afraid. Practice is the key. Now, tell me about your daily routine.
Every day. I follow a simple routine that helps me stay organized. I wake up at 7 a.m., I wash my face and brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, and then I go to work.
Great. What is your job?
I work at a coffee shop.
Nice. And after work?
I go home, I eat dinner, I watch TV, some social media, spend time with family, and then I sleep.
Perfect. That's a very simple and good routine. Let's talk about some fun things. Alex, what is your favorite pet?
I like dogs.
Do you have a dog?
Yes, I have a dog. He is brown, a small, brown, happy dog.
Dogs are very friendly. Okay, so we know a lot now. Let's talk about things we like. Start with color. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Blue. Blue is calm and nice. What about your favorite food?
Oh, this is a difficult question. I like many foods. Just choose one. Okay, I think pizza.
Yummy. And your favorite movie?
It's a tricky question. Last time I watched Spider-Man, and I really loved it.
Ah, good choice. And your favorite place in the city?
I like the park.
Beautiful. Parks are relaxing. Alex, let's do some yes or no practice. Do you like pets?
Yes,
Do you like English?
I like English.
Are you nervous now?
A little.
That's okay. Are you happy to practice?
Yes.
Speaking English in public is not scary. Even if you make mistakes, people will understand you. Try this sentence with me. I speak English slowly and clearly.
I speak English slowly and clearly.
Perfect. Let's repeat. I am very confident to speak English.
I am very confident to speak English.
I can do everything.
I can do everything.
Good. See? You are improving already. Now repeat this sentence. I am grateful to you.
I am grateful to you.
Excellent. Try this one. I like reading books.
I like reading books.
Great. Very clear. Keep practicing these simple sentences every day. Alex, what is your dream job?
I want to be a teacher.
What subject do you like to teach?
English.
English? That's great. And your dream country to visit?
Japan.
Japan. Amazing. Tell me one funny moment in your life.
Once I spilled coffee on my shirt.
Oh, that's funny. Alex, earlier you said, I go work at 7. The correct sentence is, I go to work at 7. Repeat after me.
I go to work at 7.
Perfect. Very good. Remember, small mistakes are normal. You are learning. Do you know how many words does the English language have?
Over 1 million.
Well done. Next question. What is the most used English word in the world?
Is this yes?
No, the correct answer is okay. What is the shortest complete sentence in English? If you are watching this, try to answer too.
I don't know. It's difficult.
It's very easy. The shortest complete sentence in English is go.
Seriously, I was thinking about something else.
Thank you so much, Alex. You were very brave today. To all our viewers, don't be afraid to speak English. Practice every day and you will improve quickly. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Street Talk. See you in the next video.